Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hope everybody is good. Welcome to my class computer. I hope everybody is fine and your weekend was good with your parents. You enjoy with your parents, sister and brother, right? Our chapter is what? Did you remember or no? Yes, computer fundamentals and devices. So we already learn about define computer. What is a computer? Computer is an electronic machine, right? Identify parts of computers like monitor, CPU, keyboard, mouse. Let's little bit touch up for you. So can you see on screen what is this? Very good. It's a CPU, brain of the computer. Now second picture. Yes, very good. It's a monitor. It's look like a TV screen. CPU is the brain of computer. Now we will go little bit deep because we know about the parts. Yes, next we are going to mouse. Mouse have different shape and different design. We can use mouse for copy paste and control the cursor key. Okay, now come to the last. You already learn in previous classes alphabets keys, numbers keys, space bar, arrows keys. Little bit more knowledge I am giving the all keys names, so please possible you can draw the keyboard and write all this name in the copy. Okay, this is your classwork. Because keyboard has key, deeply we will study about the keyboards. Okay dear, so now let's start about some other keys of keyboard. Like which one we will study first? Now shift key. First we will study about the caps lock, right? Can you able to see definition of caps lock? I can hear your voice. Yes, you can able to see the. Don't worry, if you don't have book, don't panic, don't worry. I am sending like this small chapter for you. You can easily read and learn. Okay, so caps lock key. This key is used for typing the letters in capital or uppercase letter. Capital or uppercase means same. Okay, when caps lock key is on, you can see light on the right hand side of the keyboard. So when you type a letter, then it will appear in capital or upper key. Just you can do the practical. Just put caps lock key, check right side, the small light is coming. Very good. For example, if you type memory, it will appear on the screen as memory because you already press the caps lock. Okay, if you press the caps lock key again, you will find the caps lock key indicate is off, means that light is off. Now if we type a letter, it will appear in small or lower case. For example, if you type memory, it will appear as memory. You understand everyone? Caps lock we are using for small letter or capital letter. If you press one time, right side light will be there, then the all alphabet will come in capital letter. When you again press caps lock key, it like coming small letter, all keys. Okay, it's what is this? What is it is? Caps lock key. Okay dear, please read carefully, and whatever the points main are there, keep in the mind. What the function of caps lock key? Simple definitions. Whenever we are press one time, the light will appear and all letters is coming upper key or capital letter. When press again, it is coming small letters, right? Okay. So now we will come which key? Yes, you can now shift key. Every time we are using for shift key also. If you are pressing caps lock, it's permanently coming for till you are not press again, capital or small. Okay, now come to the shift key. There are two shift keys on the keyboard. Can you just check on keyboard? If you have laptop or keyboard, you have check please. Yes, right side and left side. Black color, I have black color, but it's written on white paint. Shift keys, yes, correct. There are two shift keys on the keyboard. Dear parents, help them for showing the shift keys, caps locks key. Okay, thank you so much for your cooperation, is good for us. Okay, thank you so much. One is on the left side of keyboard and other is on the right side of the alphabets key. Yes, correct. Can you see? Remember, shift key is used in combination with other keys. Yes, almost we are using shift key and control key. For example, when a shift key is used with number key, you will get the symbols written above numbers. See, if you press 2, you can normally you will press 2. If you want at the rate of, so you will put the shift, then like this symbol will come, this symbol will come. If you want simple write this 2, press 2, it will come 2. If you want this symbol at the rate of symbol you want, so you plus only shift key press and put 2 side, then it will come at the rate of. So shift with use of other key. Can you do this one? Yes, I can understand and I can see you are doing practical with me, right? I hope you understand each and every words and sentence and lines I am giving. Don't afraid about the books dear. Okay, page wise I am giving little paragraph I am making for you easily. If you have book, okay. If you not have book, you cannot think I don't have book. Okay, again I am telling for your satisfactions. Okay, now I am giving here cool tips. Read it please. If you press shift key when caps lock key is on, then you will get small or lower case letter. This is so important and very important. Caps lock key we are using only for the capital or small letter. If you want specially, we are not opening the caps lock key. Whenever we want full all letters in capital, we are pressing the caps lock. The automatically it's a caps lock coming. Caps lock on and we are using shift key means it is coming small letter. If it is a small letter, we are put the shift and press any number and it will come capital. Okay. You should use shift key when only one letter capital is needed. You use caps lock key when entire words is to be written in the capital letter. Okay, like first letter we are using capital, or like special names Makkah M capital we are using, Medina M capital, and Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, KSA. We are using the capital almost first letter, right? I hope everybody you understand the caps lock key and shift key, and previous classes also keyboard, alphabets key, numbers keys, functions keys, arrow keys, symbols keys and special keys, right? I hope you understand. Thank you so much. Inshallah we will meet again very soon. Thank you. Please read nicely and understand each and every word and line. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye bye.